As a Shopify partner, you get unlimited development stores. You can use these free accounts to test themes and apps, or set up stores for customers. There are two distinct types of development stores, each with different capabilities and limitations. The first type is called client transfer stores, and the second type is called test and build stores. To choose the right type, you'll need to know your store's purpose. If you're building a store for a customer, choose a client transfer store. You can transfer ownership once your development work is complete. This is essential when creating stores intended for actual business use. If you're testing apps, building themes, or trying different features in developer preview before a full rollout, use a test and build store. These stores are for development purposes and cannot be transferred to a customer. Let's create a client transfer store first. Start by going to your partner dashboard and clicking on Stores on the left navigation sidebar. Next, select Add Store and click Create a Client Transfer Store. Enter a store name, whether or not this is a Shopify Plus store, and where the business is located, and then select Create Client Transfer Store. For a test and build store, the process is slightly different. You'll start by selecting your name in the top right corner of the partner dashboard. Then select Dev Dashboard from the drop-down menu. Next, click on Dev Stores on the left sidebar. Then click Create Dev Store. Add the store name and select which Shopify plan and its specific features you want to preview. You can also choose to generate test data for the store, which preloads a test payment gateway and sample data. Lastly, you have the option to test feature previews before they're generally available. Finally, click Create Store to complete the setup. Choose the right type of development store from the start to save time and avoid limitations later in your workflow. Remember, use client transfer stores when building for customers, and test and build stores under the Dev dashboard when developing and testing apps or features for yourself.